That's a chicken right there. Hi, Kiwi. And Rosie's back there in her little basket. Hi, girl. Come say hi. I can see you got your foot up already. Step up. Come here. You coming? You coming? Come here. Good boy. Say hi, Kiwi. You not gonna say hi? Hello? No? Alright. Step up. Hi, Rosie. Are you mad at me? Got a crazy thing in your face? Oh, my poor girl. Say, this is my special girl. My little drunk pigeon. And I've got like 4 bowls of food. Spoiled rotten. Maybe a little. And that's Basil. And say he hates his mom. He only likes his dad. That's right. You're a mean bird. I love you anyway. Yes, I do. Yes, I do, big guy. Don't bite me. There's a Kiwi. Oh, there's a Kira. Hi, Kira. That's my girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Zeus. Hi, Zeus. Sit. Good boy. There's my boy. Judge my boy. I know you guys are crazy. Come here, Kiwi. You're not gonna talk today? Okay. Go back in your house. Oh, Rosie's being a bat bird. Hi, bat bird. Yeah, you suck. Yes, you do.